your name, sir? Wait, you're going to throw down the old man. See? Sir? Elijah push down the old man. Get up, please, sir, so we can find out your name. And next time, don't throw down the old man. You don't throw down elderly people. Okay, can you walk by, sir? Bye. Bye! I tell you, don't push the old man. He is. Look at him.
Hello, old man. Come. Stand up here. Stand up here. Come on. What's your next name in
water? Salah, he said you can wet her. Let me show you my son working on the farm. He said you can wet her, Solomon, but you have to step back because she's going to wet you when she shakes. Now let me see you be the old man. That's not how you be an old man. Hey sir, what's your name?
Bob Black.
What's your name, sir?
Black.
Blah blah black sheep is your name? So wait, let me listen to the elderly man. So sir, where are you going?
Airport.
What? Speak up so we can hear you. Where are you going?
Airport.
What you say your name was? Baba Black Sheep. Okay, Baba Black Sheep. What are you doing on the farm today? I can't hear you. Come on, let's walk across here. Blah blah Black Sheep.
Yeah.
Easy, mama. Easy.
Sir. Oh.
Blah Black Sheep.
What's your name? Oh, he don't have any teeth. Sir? What's your name? What? You can't speak? You don't have a voice? Hello, man. How are you, sugar?
Good.
You have a beautiful farm.
Okay.
Okay? Just okay? You want me to hit you with my cane on your bottom?
No. No, man.
To be your great grandma. Hey, Tubba. I heard you are called No Teeth Mora.
He's not.
Mora. Ha! I am a young son. What's wrong?
He's a crazy man.
I'm a young son.
Ah!
Before I hit you on your bottom. Back in the day, ow! Back in the days, the men never used to hit the ladies. Now, the men are abusing them. Careful, son, you may hit yourself and stick yourself like a jackass.
Hey, don't cut that out.
Hey, you sure you picking me up? Back then, I used to be a celebrity. Let me tell you a pig story. Ow! What happened to the young lad? Let me crawl up here and bust his tail. What kind of cameraman are you? You are fired.
I'm fired. You want to hire me?
All he doing is hitting me. Hit me on my head. You lucky. Back in the 50s, I could have run like a jet. Shut. You telling Grandma shut up?
Yes.
I'm gonna call the police.
Yeah. Here's my phone.
Oh, I almost fell over. I'm gonna put in my teeth. What is wrong with it? Probably you need to grow some teeth. I'll borrow you some of my teeth. day he's gonna take care of grandma. So guess what? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Today we just want to vlog the fam, and I hope you guys enjoy our little vlog. Soon you're gonna see a banger from grandma. I'm gonna make a grandma's video, and I'm gonna prank someone. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me your favorite part of this video. We're out.